Hello, students. In this video, we are going to explore the fascinating world of vocabulary and why it's super important to us. Let's learn together. Vocabulary is the set of words that people get familiar with and use regularly to express themselves. It also includes every word that a person is habitual to and could use whether speaking, reading, or writing. For example, Selena's vocabulary is impressive. She uses so many colors for her vibrant paintings. She uses several colors for her interesting paintings. She uses vivid colors to make her paintings lively. Now let's learn the importance of vocabulary. The more words you know, the easier it is to understand what you read or hear. A strong vocabulary helps to write more clearly and effectively. When you have a good vocabulary, it's easier to share your ideas and opinions. Let's look into some vocabulary words: amused, betrayed, destination, excursion, caravan, luggage, etc. Using these words can make your sentences much more interesting. Instead of saying, "We saw a bird," try, "We saw a colorful bird with bright feathers." Now it's your turn to answer. Why learning vocabulary is important? Share your answers in the comments. The complete curriculum for Class 5 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.